What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from St. Pete. It's been raining today. Here we are just before spring break. I'm just going to show you guys around spring break time frame on a nice rainy day. Beautiful weather now, starting to warm up a bit from old St. Pete. You guys say we do this, do a walking tour, show you guys what it's like out here. Let's do it. Here we are, St. Pete Pier. As you guys know, St. Petersburg is known as St. Pete. It's a nice little bar right here on the waterfront. But let me show you guys around this fishing marina. Now just bear in mind, we've had some incredible weather over the last 12 hours here. Storm just kind of rolled in, and it is rolling in. Weather went from in the 80s to in about the 60s with all this breeze. I don't know if I'm a big fan of the breeze, but you could take this pier all the way out to the end. There's a really cool restaurant. I'm gonna head back that way now and show you what it looks like over there. Actually, I lied. I just realized it'll probably be better if I show you a little bit of the pier. There's a nice hotel right there, that pink building. Modern cosmopolitan city. For those of you who've been keeping up with the channel, you know I did Fort Myers, Key West, Sarasota, Naples. Really getting around Florida. I'm probably thinking about putting together the top 12 places in Florida since I've been to the Panhandle and the Atlantic coast. If you guys are interested in that, let me know your top places to visit in Florida. Someone was even talking about Boca Raton. Let's keep going. You want to know something very interesting? St. Petersburg actually holds the record for the most days of consecutive sunshine. 700 plus days of consecutive sunshine. Unbelievable. Oh, and besides being known for sunshine, lots of it, and the most days of sunshine, also the first place where airline flights took place. This is the airboat line. You can pause right there and read that if you want. Anyways, showing you guys enough around the pier. Pier keeps going. There's a big beautiful restaurant all the way at the end. I'm just not going to walk there because I'm running out of daylight. But let's go back finally. This time I really go into that high-rise district and show you around. Yeah, it's the St. Pete Art Museum. I did have a few drinks while it was raining. I mean, it was raining pretty hard for about 2 hours. The guy at the bar, he's called Trist. He was telling me that in the summertime, well, pretty much every day, around 2 to 5 in the afternoon, you get a shower, nice rain. It's hot in the summers, but you get nice rain to cool it off in the afternoon. But obviously here, they're also getting rain now, even though this is known for the city of sunshine. Everyone's indoors. No one's really outdoors. Just a small drizzle, nothing too crazy. Yeah, that area I was walking there, that's Ocean. I think it's called Ocean Boulevard. This area we're walking now, it's towards 1st Street on 2nd Avenue. So this is 1st and 2nd. Should show you guys the drinks I was drinking. Some good tasty drinks. That little guy. Look at that. Look. What you gonna do? Where's he going? He's climbing. He's running away from me. I actually came up here from Sarasota. Last time I was here, I went from Clearwater to St. Pete to Sarasota. This time I'm reversing it.
You guys really should watch those videos I made from Sarasota, Naples, Fort Myers. Some real cool towns along the west coast here. Let's see here. I'm gonna go towards more of the party area. Let's see if I can get over there. All right, so here we are on First Ave and University Way. See, they got some clubs going. We're gonna head over towards Central now. So this whole area of University, even Central and University, going down here, there's more bars and nightclubs. This is really a popular spot for people to hang out. Let me see if I can go down here, show you around a bit more of University, but you can see that side of the road I just came from has a lot going on. But we're gonna keep walking around. We're headed up towards 3rd Street. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep cruising here up towards 3rd Street. Oyster Bar. Hey, you can cruise these things around if you don't want to do it on foot like I am. This is what it looks like inland.
I got enough hands. I smashed my shit, bro.
Look at those. Cruising 3rd Street, Central Avenue. We'll now head over towards, I think it's 1st. All right. Local AF. You know what that means. If I need to spell that out for you, then we missed out. Tampa Bay Lightning, the hockey team. At the end of the day, St. Pete is on the Tampa Bay. You got Tampa, Clearwater, St. Pete. I would almost consider Sarasota close enough to be part of Tampa Bay, although it's not. But this is Park and Rec. They got lots of nightlife activities down here. Keep cruising here. Look at these buildings at night. Look at that one. So I'm basically back on Central because I realize it's more interesting. Central's just got so much going on. So 4th Street, so streets go north to south, okay? Avenues go east to west. That was 4th Street there. Okay, now we're on 5th Street in Central. Central is definitely got a lot going on for it. Let's go this way. Nice little Greek restaurant called Acropolis. The Acropolis of Greece. We all know about the Acropolis. We even made a video from there. It's in Athens. I might be going back to Greece here real soon. Good old Greece. When I cruised down here last time around noon, smelled a lot of green plant burning, and I'm smelling it again. Just the aroma. It's usually coming from a window or something, not someone on the road. All right, 6th Street. There's a really cool bar up here. It's kind of nearby Tropicana Field. I think that's what it's called. That's where the Tampa Bay Rays play. Big baseball field. Not all pro athletes or pro teams play in Tampa. Some of them actually play out here in St. Pete, like the Lightning. I see more teams play out here in St. Pete than they do in Tampa. Now, the interesting thing about this particular building, I would have normally passed by it without acknowledging it. It's called Chihuly Collection. Now, in Arizona, we did a Chihuly collection. It's like this blown glass. So now that I've been to the actual art exhibit, I know exactly what Chihuly is. It's really beautifully blown glass. Very artistic. So that's off here in around Central and 8th Street, so it's good to know. All right, and just off of Martin Luther King Drive here on Central is another really popular area. We got Napolitano pizza, German noodle. Probably easier to just walk along the side of the road to show you from back up here. Plant Love ice cream, so plant-based ice cream. Kava tea, coffee. Kind of crazy. There's actually a bar up here. I can't remember the name. I want to say it's like the Strand. I know it when I see it. They say it's like the world famous bar. I saw it on the way in, so let's head over there. Some more stuff. Sweet Stack Shack, Italy. Copa, Independent. Ah, that's where I ate lunch at that Pinot Cafe. It's like this Asian fusion, so I know where I'm at now. This is Independent. There's a nice barbecue, Dr. Barbecue, I think is what it's called, right there on Central Avenue. Let's keep cruising. This whole area from 11th Street down Central's got a lot of nice restaurants and nice vibe with some apartment living. Pretty much anything you need you can get right here on this street. I do stand by my statement that green flower is burning like an aromatic aroma. Like he says. Seriously. Lots of green flower burning out here. So you know the vibes. We got a place right there called Hawkers. I know what Hawkers is. That's in Singapore. They got a hawker place where you get a variety of different Asian cuisines. These hawker stalls in Singapore. So I understand exactly what they mean by hawker. Ferg's, that's it. This is it. This is the spot. I walked by this place. Oh look, it's right next to the Tropicana field, or where the D-Rays play. This place is crazy nuts. Even in the afternoon, Ferg Sports Bar. Now, I don't know what it's going to be like here on Thursday night.
Started with round one.
Let's go see.
Your categories are last week, entertainment, and
Old beer.
the world.
Ah, okay.
Categories for round one.
Yeah.
Entertainment.
Uh-oh, what do we got? What do we got? Lots of music, lots of music, lots of music. Oh boy. Party deck. They got upstairs, downstairs. This place is huge. It's like a theme park for bars. It's Thursday night. Ferg's. There you go. I'll say I didn't do anything for you guys. So I just gave you that one. That one's the one. See, the cool thing is they've got all these like condos here with these gyms and even bars built into the bottom of them. Is that a condo with a bar? The heck? Dog friendly, okay. This is called the Edge District. It's the name of this region that we're in, Edge. In the daytime, these areas are this is actually open. I don't know why this would be closed. Oh, its doors are closed, but it's open. You got people at the bar. The local drought house. Bear in mind, it's a Thursday night on a rainy day. You can see people are in there. Probably a cool place to go when the D-Rays are playing. Okay, so anyway, we've made it to basically Central Avenue and 16th Street here. Final thoughts on St. Petersburg. It's a very cosmopolitan city in South Florida, so you get all the benefits of a big city, like downtown lifestyle, everything you could possibly need, but it's in the beautiful climate of Florida. I guess in the summertime that's up for debate because it can get pretty toasty and hot, but supposedly if it does rain, that's nice. Also in Florida, this area is protected from hurricanes because hurricanes don't typically strike this side, so that's a benefit. My hotel is actually right there, but you can see these condos now leasing tour today. Again, this is the Edge District. Probably just need to come down here and check it out. It's right off the Central and 16th. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.